Snow molds are turf diseases that typically develop under snowfall. When snow melts away slowly, the grass underneath becomes cold and moist, creating an environment where these fungi can thrive. While these fungi usually affect only the blades, they can occasionally infect the crowns of your grass, killing it entirely. In this video, we'll show you how to identify, treat, and prevent snow mold so your lawn can survive and stay green throughout the year. To buy the products featured in this video and to learn more about fungi and lawn disease, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Many homeowners first discover they have snow mold after the snow has melted away and the fungus has settled in. You'll first notice round patches of discolored turf. The affected area may be covered in mycelium and the grass will be matted flat. There are two well-known types of snow mold: pink snow mold and gray snow mold. Pink snow mold will have areas of pink among the afflicted turf, while gray snow mold is simply gray in color. Spots of pink snow mold are usually less than 1 foot in diameter, while gray snow mold can grow to around 3 feet in diameter. Note that while pink snow mold and gray snow mold are caused by different pathogens, they both develop under similar conditions and can be treated and prevented using the same methods. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or to find hotspots of activity. If the snow has already melted away, then finding the afflicted turf is easy. Just walk your property and note any instances of snow mold you see. If snow is currently present, take note of any areas where the snow is particularly dense and packed. Snow in these areas may melt more slowly and create an environment conducive to fungal development. If snowfall has yet to happen, recall past seasons if any lawn disease or fungi were found after the snow has melted away. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To get rid of snow mold, you'll need to use a fungicide like Patch Pro. Patch Pro is a systemic fungicide that contains the active ingredient propiconazole and is used to treat and prevent a wide variety of lawn and ornamental diseases, including snow molds, brown patch, or leaf spot. In a handheld pump sprayer, mix the labeled rate of 2 to 4 fluid ounces of Patch Pro into 1 gallon of water per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Spray your solution over the afflicted turf and surrounding areas to the point of wet, but not runoff. Allow the product to dry completely before allowing people or pets back into the area. You should start to see a reduction in the afflicted area within 2 weeks. Remember to make a follow-up application 14 days after your initial treatment. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied fungicides, the best way to stop lawn disease is to make sure it can't happen. Prevention for snow mold starts in late fall or early winter before any snowfall. First, you can mow your grass shorter before it snows to make it less likely for the disease to take hold. You should also rake away any leaf litter and pick up any fallen debris to clean away organic material that can rot during damp conditions. If you're going to apply fertilizer in the fall, pay attention to the product's NPK ratio to make sure your lawn is getting the amount of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium it needs. Too much nitrogen may overstimulate your lawn and promote weeds, disease, and pests. Finally, we recommend you make a broadcast application of Patch Pro over your entire lawn using the same application rate of 2 to 4 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet. Do this before snowfall and with a broad fan spray setting to ensure coverage. Do not apply this product on top of snow. Patch Pro will absorb into the turf and prevent disease development for up to 90 days. Snow molds are fungi that can potentially kill your turf grass, but there are ways to control an infection that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop snow mold from taking over, and we offer fast and free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.